Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on Bold Reports. Are you struggling to deliver secure, personalized reports to multiple customers from a single base report? In this video, you will learn how to build a scalable multi-tenant reporting experience by using row-level security with custom attributes and white-label branding, so that every customer sees only their own data, and the portal's look matches their brand. Let me start with row-level security. Row-level security, or RLS, helps enforce access control policies so users can view only the data they are authorized to access. For this demo, I already created a report called Product Details and published it to the Bold Reports server. In the server application, Jack and Grace are already Bold Reports users. The requirement is simple. Jack should analyze only furniture products, and Grace should analyze only electronics product details. To achieve this without creating separate reports, I will use a custom attribute at the user level and map it to the right data source connection. I open Jack's profile. Click Add Attribute. Provide a name and value for the custom attribute that map Jack to the furniture-related data source. And save it. In same way, set the electronics-related data source as custom attribute to the Grace profile. And save it. Now I sign into the report server using Jack's credentials. And open the report in design mode. I edit the report data source settings. And in the database field, I reference the custom attribute using the supported syntax. And then save the changes. When I preview the report, you can see it displays only furniture product details for Jack. I publish the report. Next, I sign out and sign in with Grace's credentials. Then open the same published report. You can see the difference immediately. The report shows electronics product details only. With this setup, row-level security is enforced at the user level through custom attributes, while the report definition stays the same. Next, I will demonstrate the white labeling support in the server application. White label reporting enables businesses to deliver reports under their own brand without exposing the third-party platform behind the experience, which is especially important for customer-facing portals. To do this, I open the server application. Navigate to the Settings section and go to the Branding options. For this demo, I replaced the Bold Reports logo with the SyncFusion brand logo. I already have all variations of the SyncFusion logo, so I upload the login screen logo, header logo, fave icon, email logo, and powered by logo, and then save the changes. After that, I refresh the server application and the logo is updated. In this video, I demonstrated how custom attributes can be used to enforce row-level security for a single report across different users, and how white label branding can deliver a tenant-ready, rebranded reporting portal experience in Bold Reports. To learn more about Bold Reports, visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Reports subscription, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial using the Try It Free option. If you prefer a demo from an expert, Request Demo allows you to schedule one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Bold Reports.